This is the double 5x7 photo frame in white. And you can see it stands up really nicely. You can put in, these are the stock photos that come with it. You can put in 2 5x7 vertical pictures, and they present really nicely. It stands really nice. They fold together for easy storage or gift giving. And then the back has pretty standard photo frame clasps. Open that up and take the stock image out. The glass is a good quality glass. And then you would just put your photo on that side. And then you would turn it over and do the same thing on the other side. The hinges are hinged to the back so that when it's open, you don't really see them.
Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.